This carnation looks delicate, but it's actually quite simple to make. The materials and tools you'll need will be shown on the screen. Let's get started. We'll need 32 pink pipe cleaners. Take 12 pieces. Use one as a guide, measure about 10 centimeters, and cut. Repeat the same for the remaining 11 pieces. Set aside the 20 centimeters and 10 centimeters pieces. Now take the remaining 20 pipe cleaners. Cut each one into 3 equal parts. So each piece is about 10 centimeters long. Repeat for all of them. In total, we'll have 12 pieces of 20 centimeters and 72 pieces of 10 centimeters. For each petal, we'll need 1 long piece and 6 short pieces. Fold all the short pieces in half. Wrap them one by one around the long piece. Bend both ends downward and twist to secure. Repeat the same steps to make all the petals. Gently shape the edges of each petal. Twist them into soft, wavy curves. Make 3 petals with smaller waves. Attach these petals onto the stem, one by one. For the next 3 petals, create slightly larger waves. Attach them in between the gaps. For the remaining petals, shape them into larger waves. Attach all of them around the flower, filling in every gap. Now let's make the sepal of carnation. Take 3 green pipe cleaners and cut them in half. Measure about 2 finger joints and bend. Then measure about 1.5 joints, twist to secure. Fold the long end upward, then fold it back down to fill the center. Twist the ends to secure. Trim the top into a pointed shape and gently curve it. We'll need 6 pieces for 1 flower. Attach them under the flower. Wrap the base with the pipe cleaner to secure. Now let's make the leaves. Each leaf uses half a pipe cleaner. Trim the top into a pointed shape and gently curve it. Make 2 leaves. Wrap everything with floral tape and attach the leaves. Lightly brush some color with eyeshadow or color soft pastel onto the petals for extra depth. For a more realistic look, you can lightly heat the edges of the petals. This step is optional, but it helps create a softer, more natural shape. And here is the finished carnation. It looks soft and delicate, but it's actually quite simple to make. I hope you enjoyed creating this with me. See you next time.